not to speak Malayalam. Then my ma'am will speak English and I learned.
Oh,
In my first standard also I learned. And I improved from second standard. So,
you have learned first standard, but you improved in the second standard.
so many I improved from second standard.
Like maybe your environment is like speaking English. They didn't have any like, mother tongue or
I'm
other
speaking with my friend. I don't know to speak some words. Then I will speak that with Malayalam. Then I will say to them, please don't tell to them, please don't.
Oh, this is why you have learned. You have
But
improved
ma'am,
so much.
we have 6 periods. In lunch period, snacks period and evening snacks period. All we will speak Malayalam. But in other studying periods, we will all speak in English.
You will have to speak, otherwise they will caught you. Maybe
But
you have to
in
be
the
like-
lunch time, we were sitting with our friends. Then we will always speak in Malayalam. But other one group is a small group. They will only speak English. Then sometimes they will speak Malayalam. Then we will speak English. Sometimes they will say to teacher. And they are speaking Malayalam. We are speaking English. Then we will say that they to the teacher.
maybe you are
Then we are so happy.
maybe you are speaking Malayalam, but your ma'am caught you. So what will she do with you?
She will scold me.
Cut your score? What she will do? Like cut your score or anything else? Score. Like after
But sometimes finish, she will happy and she will say, why are you crying? Sorry for
oh, you did lot of interview, no? I like you. Beautiful.
But I don't know in third standard.
You know, my sister, she's like 8th standard, but he can speak English. Even she don't know like so many words.
Then we are speaking, some ma'am will say the name of in Malayalam. Then we will say that ma'am will say in ma'am only know English, but she will try to speak in Malayalam.
How?
Bangladesh को
Trying to
में
speak
खाना नहीं
in
खाएगा
Malayalam.
बंगाली खाएगा बंगाली को
She
कहना खाना
only
भी
know
चाहिए
Hindi
लेकिन
and
भी चाहिए
English. She don't know.
No, I know Indian English. Even I'm following so many YouTubers from India, those who are from India. There is so many teachers, you know, India. They are teaching English on YouTube. I know. I can show you after this
There
video.
is
I'll show
a
you.
teacher. I love her. She is coming from Nagaland, and she only know English. She will speak to us only English.
सिर्फ 50 रियाल
My friend is Ira, my neighbor. Ira. She don't know
आप भी आपके इसमें ऐड करने के लिए लेकिन 450
English. Then ma'am is saying something. She will say okay. Then she will ask to her friend, what is the meaning of that?
Oh,
But she improved.
she improved. Right now she can speak as well. Like,
No, only little.
you know, I was as like you in as this environment, so I cannot speak any Bangla word. You know, I am from Bangladesh, so if I speak any Bangla word,
Your friend Bangladesh?
I had no friend those who can really speak English. So when I saw you, I thought maybe you were just writing here in English, and then when I asked you who is she, you said she's my sister. I was so like I didn't expect that you will speak English.
In my classroom, sometimes I will speak Hindi to my friends.
Oh.
I know some English when I will speak that.
Kan ito है ना पिसा कार्ड है ना
कार्ड से उठाएगा तो आपको है ना 100 रियाल में तो आपको 2 रियाल काटे 1 रियाल 2 रियाल काटेगा।
क्या मुश्किल है भाई।
नहीं फिर भी अच्छा है, इसे एटीएम काय के लिए दे रहे बैंक के लिए? बाजू में एटीएम है ना,
हाँ लेना है
बाजू में है।
कत भी ले रहा अरे जाना 20 21